Made it here to Lighthouse Community Church, where people have been gathering and they're just kind of figuring out, waiting what to do for people at night. But they've got the Salvation Army here, and look in here, all these power lines are just completely bent over and snapped.
I'll get them semi.
That way is towards the worst of it, lots of trees down, and that's actually where Angie and I used to live, just a couple blocks right in there about 6 years ago. Just looking here, that's close to Idlewild and the trailer where a lot of the damage, we're just kind of on the edge of where more trees are down. Kind of right in the middle of it. Not homes aren't damaged much, but just lots of trees are down.
That looks pretty bad. That's like
a lot of homes damaged right in here.
Okay, there's trouble.
Friends of ours that we used to minister to and were part of our church years ago used to live right in here.